In this video, we are going to learn about how to file an affidavit for extending time to file the income tax return. So if you're going to file the income tax return and you already delayed the process, then you need to file an affidavit. So in the affidavit, you need to write before the income tax officer the district name. Then in the matter of ABC company, if it is a company, and if it is a person, affidavit of Mr. K about how whatever your age is, your name here, your age, son of your father's name. I put your name here, deponent shall be a fund and state as under that the deponent in the managing director of the company. If you're a managing director, then this clause will go. If you are a person, then you will need to find the deponent was required to file the income tax return of the company by this June. The deponent received a notice under section whatever section 2 of section subsection 2 of section 139 requiring the file return of the company by the next due date, that the company account have been closed on 31st March year, and you need to put the year here, and have been given the chance to the chartered accountant for the audit processes. That since audit work was not completed, the deponent applied for the extension of the time up to 31st July the year on the prescribed form number 6. The form number 6 was filled by the deponent on the receipt counter, and the receipt was obtained. A photocopy of the same is enclosed in Annexure A. So you need to put the receipt also. That after filling form number 6 and obtained the receipt, or the deponent contacted the income tax officer of his ward, and the income tax officer assured that the time shall be extended, and intimation to this shall be sent to the deponent. That because the deponent did not receive any intimation from the income tax officer till 31st of July year, we need to put the year here. He appeared on the said date before the said officer and requested for the extension of the time and passing order to that effect. That the income tax officer informed the deponent that the time was extended up to 31st July year. Into put the year here. That the deponent filed the return of his company on 1st of August in accordance of the order of income tax officer verbally communicated to the deponent. Deponent, you need to put a sign I, and this verification entire thing, nothing material has been concealed. So if you want to find this affidavit, you need to visit my website. The link is given in the description. Thank you so much.